Welcome back, guys. Today we're out here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Right now we are right in front of the party street called Bui Vien Street, and we're gonna just go take a little walk down there before it gets dark out and the party comes out. So let's get into this and let's check it out. Alright, we gotta make our way across this busy traffic. So when you're walking in Vietnam, crossing traffic, there's a lot of motorbikes, obviously, a lot of scooters. You have to make sure to just walk. Just keep your eyes straight. And yeah, they're in this culture, they'll go around you. Alright, so at night, what happens is the street is clear right now, as you can see, but after the sun goes down and the party comes out, people just pack out onto the street. They put chairs out on the street so you can drink, eat, whatever. It gets pretty lively here at night, and there's a lot of different things happening here at night. So if you're ever down here, you just got to be aware of shit. Almost knocked that scooter over. Just got to be aware of people might try to offer you drugs, shit like that. So just be careful. But yeah. Alright, so the reason I brought you guys down here is because we're going to this restaurant. They have this amazing food. It's called Pho. You guys know what it is, but this restaurant in specific is amazing. It's on this street, and I would include it in this video, but these file sizes are massive, shooting 8K, whatever. So, we're gonna end this here. I gotta keep these videos short, and I'll have another video out with me eating that. So go check that out as well. I'll try to link it up in here. I'm still learning all this VR, YouTube stuff. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed this. I know it was short. These are gonna be short to begin with until storage and internet speeds become cheaper and faster. So with that being said, we'll see you next time.